say fraction? Oh, I'm really good at those. I can help you.
I'm gonna help you if you like it or not, okay? I'm out. What? I thought you were gonna help me!
Hello. Okay, fine, I'll help you. But thing you got to know, my name's Fraction Fairy. I'll only help you if you calm down.
That's a stupid name! The Fraction Fairy! What are fractions anyway?
What are fractions? Okay, let's start with 4/5. The top is the numerator, and the bottom is the denominator. I think everybody knows this.
Now what about adding and subtracting? I can sing too!
We learn to add and subtract. Let's learn to simplify first. To simplify, here we have 4/20. And to simplify a fraction, divide the top and bottom by the highest number that can divide into both numbers exactly. This fraction simplifies to 1/5. So that is our answer, simplified. Now we need to talk about improper fraction and mixed numbers. The difference between a mixed number and an improper fraction is an improper fraction has a numerator larger than or equal to the denominator. A mixed fraction is a whole number and a proper fraction combined. Let's convert the improper fraction 10/3 to a mixed number. First, we divide the numerator by the denominator. Second, we write down the whole number answer. The third step is, then we write down any remainder above the denominator. The answer is 3 1/3. Okay, let's convert this back to an improper fraction, shall we? First, we multiply the whole number part by the fraction's denominator. Second step is to add to that numerator. Then we write the result on top of the denominator. Then we multiply 3 times 3 plus 1, which equals 10. And then we get 10/3, and that is our improper fraction. Fine, okay. So, first we have to find a common denominator between these two, since they're different denominators. So, in the common denominator is 30. So we have to see how much 5 can go into 30, which is 6. We have to, wherever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. And then what's 4 times 6?
24.
Good. So we put 24. And then what's 3 times 5?
8.
No, it's 15.
Oh.
So we put 15.
Don't you have to put a plus, the minus plus sign?
Yes.
The minus with the line?
Now we're going to do 24 plus 15.
Which is 39?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
Yes.
So we have 39 over 30, but that is an improper fraction. So guess what we have to do? Yes. But, okay, so we're going to divide these two.
This is hard!
It can be simplified.
Oh.
So we're gonna figure it out. 9 divided by 3. So the answer would be 1, 3. The issue was for adding and subtracting. You can do both.
Wait, what about multiplying and dividing? Because they're important.
Yes, I almost forgot about those. Those are very important, by the way. Help you with tests. So, to multiply fractions, we're going to start with 3/4 times 2/3. So, first we're going to multiply the top numbers, which also called is the numerator. And 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we have to multiply the bottom numbers, also the denominators. So we multiply 4 times 3, which is 12. Now we have to simplify 6/12. Simplify, which is 1/2. And 1/2 is our answer, and that is how you multiply fractions.
My limit is like 8:30, and it's like 9. My mommy's gonna get mad at me. She's gonna be like, how do you change a fraction to a percent?
So to do conversion, we're going to start at how to change a fraction into a percent. Here is 1/5. We're gonna try and get that 5 to 100. Let's start with 75. Here we see 75. Let's try multiplying that by 5. And now we see 75 times 5. Let's see if that adds up to 100. No, that's not it. Let's try 50. Here's 50 times 5. Let's see if that multiplies to 100. Nope. Let's try 25 instead. Now we see 25 times 5. Let's see if that multiplies to 100. Guess not. Let's try 20. See if that multiplies to 100. Now we have 20 times 5. Let's see if that multiplies to 100. Yes, finally! It adds up to 100. Now we know that 20 is the right answer. Now we times 20 by 5, and that is 100. 5 times 20 is 100. And wherever do we to the bottom, we got it to the top. Now we have 20 over 100, and that makes 20%. Now we have 20%, and that's the answer. Okay, now that we have 10/3, we're going to flip the second fraction. So this fraction was flipped to 3 halves. Now we're going to multiply. Now we're going to multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal, which is 36. Now we're going to simplify this number. Simplifying means dividing. So that would equal 5. That's all, and that's all you need to know about fractions.
Chocolate. Man, I feel weird, like cooler. You know, it's kind of like, I don't know. Man, I just, don't even know. Man. Fractions do make you cool. And hot.
I'm a smart girl and I know how to do fractions. I taught her how and now she's relaxing. We're happy, we're happy, we're happy, we're happy, we're happy.